So here I'll figure out the population in 2034 in terms of P. So for example, 2019, that's at the beginning of the first year, it's P. Then 2020, which is the second year, beginning of the second year, is 3 plus 2P. And then in the third year, the beginning of the third year, we plug in P to be 3 plus 2P. So that would become 3 plus 2 times 3 plus 2 squared times P. So that's this piece here. And what we're trying to do is to establish a pattern. So 2022, that becomes the input in that expression. So that would be 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 times 3 plus 2 squared P. And that would be 3 plus 2 times 3. So you have to do it enough that you can clearly see the pattern. And of course you want to do this quickly as you can in the exam. So you'll see 2023, and you just need to do it far enough that you can see the pattern. And so 2023 would be 3 plus 2 times 3, 2 squared 3, 2 cubed 3, plus 2 to the 4 P. I didn't want to bring the 1,000 here, so we'll do that at the end. So if we go all the way to 2034, and this would be 16 here. That's what you want to make sure. That difference you'll notice between 2019 and 2023 is 4. That's the beginning of the 5th year. So 2034 would be the beginning of 16th year. So this is going to look like 3 plus 2 times 3, 2 squared times 3, 2 cubed times 3 plus dot 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 all the way to 2 to the 14 times 3 plus 2 to the 15p. Because note here, that exponent is 1 less than that. So that's why this is 15. That's 14. Now I need to add this separately, and you'll notice if I factor out a 3, we get the sum of this geometric progression. And we can apply the sum formula, which is b times r to the n minus 1 over r minus 1, where the terms are b, br square, and the last term is br n minus 1. So if you look at the parallels, here b is 1. So if we plug it in here, b is 1, r is 2, and then n minus 1 is 14, which means n would be 15, and then the denominator would be 2 minus 1. So that sum is simply 2 to the 15 minus 1. So if I distribute that, it becomes this. And if I combine these two terms by factoring out 2 to the 15, this becomes our final answer. Now all we have to do is to plug in the value of P, which is 1,000. So this becomes 2 to the 15 times 1,003 minus 3. And that matches with choice C. So it is a hard question, partly because you have to kind of keep track of those numbers, not make a mistake here, and also do it enough so that you can see this final pattern. So the answer is C.